In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo changes in Wix. If you've ever been working in the Wix editor and accidentally undone something you actually wanted to keep, don't worry. Wix has a simple redo option that lets you quickly bring those changes back. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to find the redo control, how it works, and a few tips to help you use it confidently while you're designing your site. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor, not just previewing your site. You should see your website layout in the center of the screen with a toolbar along the top. This top bar is where most of your key editing tools live, and it's also where you'll find both the undo and redo icons. Look toward the upper part of the editor, usually on the left side of the top bar. You'll see an arrow that curves to the left, which is the undo icon, and right next to it, an arrow that curves to the right. That right curving arrow is the redo icon. This is the button you'll use to bring back an action that you previously undid. Here's how it works in practice. Let's say you just moved a text box or changed a color, and then you hit undo, either by clicking the undo icon or by using a keyboard shortcut. If you immediately realize you preferred the version before you undid it, simply click the redo icon above. The moment you click it, Wix will reapply the last change that was undone. You can often click redo multiple times in a row, as long as there are actions available that you've undone. Each click moves you one step forward through your recent editing history, restoring your changes one by one. If the redo icon appears faded or inactive, that usually means there's nothing left to redo, so you've already moved as far forward as possible. A helpful tip is to watch your page closely after each click. You should see elements shift, reappear, or change back to their previous style. This visual feedback is a good way to confirm that the redo action is doing exactly what you want. Remember that redo works together with undo, so you can move backward with undo and then forward again with redo until your page looks just right. Once you're happy, you can continue editing as normal or save your work to keep those changes safely stored. And that's all there is to it. Simply